Hi everyone. It's been a minute, sorry to say, since I've been in Horizon Worlds, but I have remained active on the sidelines, watching all the new updates that the team has implemented. It's all so cool, and there's more in the pipeline. Today, I'd like to invite you to my new apartment in Horizon Worlds. In real life, I'm doing some renovations to my home, so there's dirt, dust, and boxes everywhere. But that's the beauty of VR. I can invite you, we can hang out in my new apartment, construction free. So let's go.
Before we got these cool apartments in Horizon Worlds, our private area was a floating island. Still super cool and private, but it was just a solo space.
Now, welcome to my new apartment. Take a look around. Serene, peaceful, modern. We have this cool new mirror here and our world board here where we can see all the different worlds that are available, and we can open a settings for some rules in this new apartment. And we have our welcome board here, which shows us new events that are happening and previous updates to different worlds and games and our safety guidelines. So this space not only serves as our private area, but we can also invite people to hang out here. So that's really fun, and it just makes the whole experience even more social. So let's start the tour upstairs. And here is the second floor. Rather spacious, not a lot of clutter, unlike my house in real life. We have this great sitting area here, and we can play a game of darts. Oops. Okay, I've never been good at darts, but you know, it's fun to practice. And so here, check it out. We have a little Nerf gun with a game that we could play here. Ooh, cool. Whoops. Ooh. So if you have a bunch of people over, how fun is that? And also the great thing about VR, there's no cleanup. No calories and no cleanup. So let's go down. Loving these hardwood floors. Go down these stairs. So here's our little dining area. Feel free to nosh on some charcuterie there. And look at this view. I've always wanted to live in a high-rise. And now I am. It's a 360 view of this beautiful skyline. And here's a little library, den area. And this is another game here. Don't really know how to play that, but I'll figure it out. And let's check out my patio. So I love how there are these doors on the patio to different worlds to check out. So, like venues for performances and live entertainment. And the comedies club, the Soapstone Comedy Club, is one that is just a hoot that I love. And then, of course, the arcade. We have this great fire pit. Loving it. And an apple tree. Check out my apple tree. We could even play a game here. Ooh. So, oh. Well, I have to learn how to play that game. But also, we have this great view and this amazing, amazing sunlight. Check it out! Woohoo! I've always wanted my name on the side of a blimp. Woohoo!
And while we're out here, I hope you don't mind if I take a quick selfie and get the blimp in the background.
Okay, and then there's something else I wanted to show you. Look at that. Look at that sunset. How beautiful is that? And we have this little wall garden, which I love. Oh, so serene. I feel like I should be doing yoga here. This is a great spot for meditation. So excited. And if you ever get lost, my name is on the door. Well, thanks for coming and checking out my new pad. I would love to meet you in Horizon Worlds. Add me. I'm at Lesley, LESLEY_C. I would love to hang out with you. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.